start doing stuff like this.
Yeah.
Surprise! It seems like the black line. Whoa! Watch the basketball.
Whoa. It's magic, baby.
It's magic.
What's good? Welcome back to How To Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Aaron. Today I've got the world famous Harlem Globetrotters with me.
Yeah, baby.
What's up?
Showing you basketball magic tricks. Let's go. Oh man, I feel left out. All you guys have basketballs.
Oh yeah, man. That's nice, right?
I think that one right here.
That's got one.
You got that? Whoa!
Right here in the briefcase.
Whoa! Oh, deep bad basketball. How's that briefcase?
Magic. You don't want to learn the secret?
Yeah,
what's the secret? I'll show you and you right now. Alright, so here is the explanation to the magic basketball from the briefcase trick. So this is a special briefcase. It's not a normal briefcase. It's got a false bottom in it like this. And on the back side, it looks normal, but it's actually stretchy.
Oh.
So you can put the basketball in it like this, and when you close it, see it'll stretch out the back just like that.
Wow. That's how it's done. That's crazy.
Latch it.
That's awesome.
You really gotta force it in there.
Click it. Okay.
There you have
Latch
it.
it closed. Don't want the audience to see this, obviously. You want to carry it like this, broadside to them, and then when you open it up, you want to make sure you hold the lid closed, because it'll really fly open. And then you open it up like this, latch your basketball, close it, and then they can obviously see there's no way this basketball will fit inside the briefcase. Crazy magic basketball illusion.
Think I can fit inside of that? Carry me out and I'll pop out.
Surprise! The Harlem Globetrotters have been around for 93 years, and our trademark is the basketball ball spin, just like this. But in order to know our magic, let me break it down for you. You want to get a good spin, a real good spin. Spin it as hard as you can, and put your finger under it just like this.
Magic, baby.
It's magic. Try to keep the seams facing this way, not this way. You see the seams? The seams are the black lines. Spin it real fast, you can start doing stuff like this.
Yeah.
So now you've seen the Globetrotters spin a basketball on their finger. It's actually a cool trick you can do with a deck of cards. And here's a super simple version that you can do at home with just a single playing card. You want to hold it at your fingertips just like this, and then just give it a spin. So real quick, if you want to do this at home, here's what's happening underneath the card. Position your middle finger right there and let the card balance on it just like that. Then you want to put your thumb right on top, and that is what you're going to push off with. Middle finger is your pivot right there. That's what the card's going to spin on. Your thumb's on top, and then the pointer finger right here is going to help you push off just like that. And it takes a little bit of practice, and you'll start off just getting it to kind of spin on your finger like that. And then eventually you'll get to where you get a nice long spin out of it. And you just want to let it balance on your finger and just set there as it spins, just like a basketball. Now, a much easier method to spinning a card on your fingertip is just to use a thumbtack and a magic fake thumb tip. We sell these on EvanEraTV.com. Here's how you set it up. Take the thumbtack and put it down inside the thumb tip. Now, once you have the thumbtack in position, you're just going to push it through the thumb tip just like that, and it'll poke out the top. Now you can put this on your finger like this, poke it through the center of your card. So now once you have the thumb tip popped on your middle finger right there and the card in position on the tack, you can just spin it like this, and you have a super easy way to spin a card on your finger at home with no practice at all. Watch the basketball.
Hi. What?
Come on, man.
yeah.
Don't be fooled by this, man. Come on, man.
This guy.
Okay, here is how to set this one up. It is super simple. You can do this at home. All you need is a little foam basketball like this, or you can get a mini Harlem Globetrotter basketball like you saw us use. And then all you have to do is cut a little slit in the back. You're gonna cut each direction like this, and then create like a little cross just like that. So you wanna cut an opening in the back of the basketball just like this. And then you're going to take a dowel rod. It's just a wooden stick. You can get a dowel rod at a hardware store, and then you just insert it into the back of the basketball just like that. So this trick is all about the angle in which your viewer sees it from. If you're looking at it from the front, it looks totally convincing, like the ball is actually floating in midair. But if they see it from the side, obviously they're gonna see your secret, so be sure not to expose the trick. So once you have the ball on the stick, your next step is to simply tuck the stick underneath your arm like this, and the ball will sit right here in midair. The stick's just gonna hold it in place like that. You can place one hand underneath like this, the other on top, and say, look, if I just move my hands, it looks like the ball kind of just floats in midair, just like that. So it's a super simple illusion. It's really easy to do. Try it out at home and fool your friends and family. Okay, so we just arrived to the KFC YUM Center. We came in on the loading dock, back in the backstage of the YUM Center here. I'm pretty sure this is the Globetrotters tour bus right here. Yep, it sure is. So yeah, we're here to do our collab with the Harlem Globetrotters. They reached out to me a couple months ago, said they were coming to Louisville, and they're here now based on this tour bus. So we're about to go inside lab. We're gonna do some cool basketball magic tricks. Let's go. I've never been in the YUM Center before. This is exciting for me. It's here in my hometown too, Louisville, Kentucky. We got our game passes, walk right by security. It's right through
Hold your finger up like this. That's not for the camera. Look at that.
Nice.
That's pretty cool, huh? Good job. Way to go. How old are you? 9 years old? Awesome. Well, I'm excited.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
You guys ready to have a good time today?
Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away a one-of-a-kind signed Globetrotter basketball. I got this signed by every player on the team, and it's in this cool collector's case. I'm giving this away to one lucky comment in the comment section on the video. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is like the video and leave a comment down below. The one-of-a-kind giveaway here, I'm going to be sending this to one lucky comment in the comment section of this video. Leave a comment down below with which trick was your favorite in the video. Real quick, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Send us an email with your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments down below.
What's up? They can also download our new app, Harlem Globetrotters. Okay, so once you download our app, you go to the Play Games tab, you swipe to the right, and you select Spin Pro. And just like that, no tricks, no cameras, you can be spinning just like the Harlem Globetrotters.
Check it out at the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, be sure to follow our page. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.